How to change your avatar on Mobile Legends. Follow this guide. On the main screen, locate your profile icon at the top left corner. Tap on it to enter your profile page. Now look at the top right corner of your profile page. Click on it to open the additional option. From the menu, select Avatar to access the customization option. You have two options. Browse to the available in-game avatar and select the one that best represents you. Or if your account is linked to Facebook, you can use custom image instead. Tap the edit option at the bottom. Furthermore, choose from the available option. Select sync your Facebook avatar option if you wish to set your Facebook profile picture as your avatar. Take a photo allows you to snap a live photo and use it as your avatar, whereas upload an image allows you to select a picture from a gallery. Finally, after selecting your new avatar, tap the replace button at the right side of your screen and a new avatar will be updated instantly. That's it.